Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can export single layers from your documents and designs on Affinity Designer. So let us get started. So head over to your document on Affinity, and then what you want to do, guys, is left click into the layer here in the layers list to the right. So let us go with this image layer here with that background photo. What you will need to do, guys, is left click into it and then choose or hover your mouse over this area here and click into that drop down menu next to export PNG. And then, guys, what you want to do is make sure that from that drop down menu here, this option is selected, selection only. So choose this and you will see the preview here. Then you may go through these setups here, choose the output file format like PNG, JPEG, and so on and so forth. And yeah, after that, click into export to export only the selected layer to your location on your device. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.